Hello, fellow accountants and CPAs. Today, I'm excited to share some valuable insights that can help you assist your clients in optimizing their tax strategy. First off, there's a powerful tax-saving strategy we need to explore: deducting home office expenses. Now, your clients who work from home can deduct costs like a portion of their rent or mortgage, utilities, and office maintenance. But remember, always consult with your trusted CPA before making any decisions. Expert advice is key. Your CPA will help determine eligibility and navigate IRS regulations, ensuring your clients get the most out of their deductions. And from the IRS's perspective, make sure your clients meet the exclusive and regular use criteria, keep meticulous records, and understand whether they qualify for the simplified option or actual expense method. In summary, as accountants and CPAs, you have the power to empower your clients to make smart tax decisions. Deducting home office expenses is just one of the many strategies to explore. Stay informed, consult with experts, and help your clients navigate the complex world of U.S. taxes.